Hello friends, welcome back to lmsd.com. In today's screencast, we will see the default backup settings of your course and how you can update that. You might have noticed that while backing up any course in Moodle, you have to follow a specific sequence of settings and configure the backup file for your Moodle site. In this video, we will see how you can update those settings if you are doing a regular backups of your courses on Moodle. And as of now, I am logged into this Moodle site as an admin, so I will just go to this site admin page here, and then under this courses tab you will see this backups section. So here we will click on the first link named as general backup defaults, which will allow us to change the backup settings according to our requirements. So here you will see on this page the general backup default settings. The first one is about the keep logs for 30 days. So whenever you are backing up a course, it will be kept in the Moodle logs, and this setting will define for how long it will be kept there. Now comes the most interesting part. You might have seen that these settings are appearing whenever you are backing up a course, and these are the default settings, which are yes and no for few items. So as you can see, but as an admin for your specific Moodle site, you can check or uncheck these boxes according to your requirements. So let us say that I want the course backups to be there without any blocks or any filters. So I will just uncheck these. And if you would like to anonymize the information every time whenever there is a backup, so you can check this box, and even you can keep it locked so that it cannot be changed. And then once you are done with all these settings, just go down to the bottom of the page and then click save changes button. So now whenever anyone is creating a backup of their course on your Moodle site, they will see this anonymized information as checked and locked, and blocks and filters are disabled for them. So I will just show you by going to any course on this Moodle site and creating a backup. So I will just go to my courses and click on any course and go to the course reuse page here. And I will expand this to choose backup. Now you can see that these blocks as well as these filters, they are unchecked now, and anonymized user information is showing as locked. So this is what we have just did in the default settings as a admin. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon for our YouTube channel. It will really help me to create more engaging content for you in the future. Thank you.